Hey, what's up? So I know it's been a while. I didn't post any videos, just because it was the holidays, and also I'm working on having my own website, and also I'm giving mentorship for trading. Right, if you want to have a more understanding of the market, so and also I affiliate with FTMO, so it's really nice. I already have some people that taking my mentorship. So if you want more info, you can DM me on Instagram, right? I'm currently working on the website, so that's why it's not available. But in like few weeks from now, it will be available if you want to have some mentorship in trading, right? So what I want to talk about today is um, three good things that you should have, right, as a person when it comes to trading, to be like it's a plus for you if you have it, right? So the first thing is if you have structure, right, in your life, right? If you're a person with you're a person that is, get your have a life that is very structured, right? So for example, how you do things, you have a structure, right? Your discipline or structure is kind of the same thing, right, in your life. So if you're a person like this, you have an edge, right, towards other people. Of course, in trading, you can develop that, right? Being a structured, discipline as a person, right? It will help you become a better trader. Why? Because in trading, of course, in the forex market, it's 24/5. It's open, right? 24/5, and also in the crypto space, it's 24/7. So it means that you're not gonna be 24/7 or 24/5 in front of your screen, right? So you have to be structured as when you're gonna take trades, when you're gonna look at chart. So you have to be disciplined on that, right? Um, Everybody has a different lifestyle, so it's really up to you to determine when you want to trade, right? It is in the morning, it is in the evening, it is in London session, New York session, Sydney session. So it's really up to you to decide that, right? And also to respect your trading plan, right? What pair you're gonna trade? You're not gonna. There's a lot of pairs, right? You can trade them all, but it's not that the goal, right? The goal is to have a few pairs that you master, and then you um, can negotiate on that. So you really have to be disciplined and structured as a person, right? When it comes to trading. So like I said, if you're not structured as a person, it's okay. You can develop that in your trading journey, right? But if you're already a person that is disciplined in your life, right, and structured and have structured, you have an edge if you want to learn about trading to, compared to other people. And the second thing is if you're uh, a person that analyze things, right, or people, or you have this in you that you analyze, right, um, things around you, and also people around you, or whatever it may be, right? If you have this in you, it's really nice, because when it comes to trading, you have to analyze, of course, the market, the chart, the fundamentals, the news, what happened, right? So it's really nice if you already have that in you, right? You have an edge compared to other people. And the third thing would be if you're a person that can manage, right, your emotions, right? So you have an edge compared to other people if you can control, right? Have a control or manage your emotions, because um, when it comes to trading, usually people at the beginning have this attachment to money. So when they, for example, they lose uh, money, they feel like anxious, or some type of way. So if you can manage your emotions, or even if you're in profits, right? So when you go up and go in your way, okay, so you hit your TP1, but you don't want to take partial, or you don't want to close the trade, or whatever it may be, and you're there and you say, okay, it's gonna hit TP2, TP3, and I'm gonna make more money. So that's what we call greed also, right? So if you're a person that really can manage your emotion, you have an edge compared to other people. But like I said, if you're not that type of person, in your trading journey, you can develop to become a better trader by managing your emotions, being more structured as a person, discipline, right? And also, if you analyze things, right, you can develop that. Of course, there's other things that you can work in you, right, as a person, because the trading, I show a lot of technical analysis, how you can analyze charts and this and that and what to look for. But what I like about trading is something that you also need to work. You need to the inner work, right, as a person for you to become a better trader, right? So we have what? The FOMO, right? Of course, you have to work on that to become a better trader. So the fear of missing out, right? So what I tell people is, I rather miss a trade than lose a trade. So it's all about the perception of what you have in trading. And I believe that there's people that comes in the trading space, trading world, and they have not a good perception of what is trading. Trading at first is a game of probability, right? Of course, you're gonna lose some trade, but you have to be ready for that. So there's come emotions, so you have to work on your emotions, and the more that you detach, right, of the outcome, better trader you will be, right? So and trading, it's rational and not emotional. So for me, when I was trading, of course I have to feel that, to become a better trader. So now either that I'm losing a trade or I'm winning a trade, I'm not attached to the outcome, right? So I lose today, that's okay, that's fine, right? I do something else, and okay, I gain today, I have some gains today, I finish my day in profit, so nice, good, right? So I'm not very attached of the outcome. The more you detach yourself to the outcome, better trader you're gonna be. So FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. You have to work on your emotions. You have to be disciplined, right? So there's a lot of things, of course, you can develop, right? Of course, you need, let's say, self-development, right, to become a better trader, I would say. After that, of course, come skills and experience, your own experience, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video, right? I hope it helps you, because like I said, I made a lot of videos about technical things, and so I don't really talk about the mindset in trading, or how and what you need to improve to become a better trader. So it's really, a lot of people said it, it's 80-ish, 90% mindset trading, and after that comes 10%, 20% of skill set. So the more you develop your mindset, and the more you become better as a person, right, in FOMO, emotions, greed, being more structured as a person, discipline, and also if you analyze things, you will become a better trader. That's my opinion, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more info about the mentorship, just DM me on my Instagram, and like I said, the website is coming out soon. Peace.